guys, welcome. मेरो recipe में स्वागत छ. Today I am going to show you all cappuccino coffee made in kettle. So let's get started. First I'll be showing you all the ingredients and I'll go to the cooking process later on. Give coffee, milk, oreo biscuit, sugar. In a kettle put 1 cup of water. Then add milk to it. Mix the milk. Close the kettle and let it get boiled for 15 minutes. In a bowl, take 2 spoons of sugar. Then put coffee to it. Then mix it properly for 5 minutes. After it's boiled, take 1 spoon of this milk. Pour it to the mixture and mix it properly. After mixing it, take 1 more spoon of milk and mix it properly for 5 to 10 minutes. After mixing, the batter will be of this type. You can store this in refrigerator for 1 week. It doesn't get spoiled and you can use it whenever you want to make coffee. Now in a cup, put the batter. In this now, mix the milk. Take the leftover batter and put it in the coffee. Now split Oreo biscuit powder on top of it. The coffee is totally ready now. It's time for drinking it. Comment down about what other kettle recipe you want to see next, which can be made in hostel.